when people are afraid, they freeze. So when you freeze up, that will get you killed in my industry. I mean, there's definitely a very, very healthy respect. I've been studying, you know, behavior and all that stuff specifically with alligators and crocodiles and what I work with and train for almost 30 years. I'm not fearless, but I don't ever let fear in the room.
One of only 2 times that I was bitten by an animal in my entire life. One of them happened to be square in the face. So I was doing gator wrestling shows, feeding demonstrations, all these different things, and I was kind of laying down on a dock similar to this, and I look over my shoulder and there's another alligator that was spooked by the activity and was already in the air. So as I turned to look over my shoulder to hear what the sound was, here I am turning my face right into a jumping alligator's mouth, and it was about 8 feet long and it clamped onto my face.
Now you got to keep in mind, about an 8 to 9 foot alligator is going to have well over 2,000–3,000 pounds of pressure per square inch in its jaws. So a nice good chomp is going to do some damage.
So it slashed up through the cheek, kind of starting down here by the, almost the gum line really. Back over here, through the cheek, through the nose, broke my nose in a couple places. Tooth pain, especially those exposed nerves. It was like this constant, non-stop, incessant pain, as if somebody had like a small little pen knife and just stuck it in there and would just kind of be twisting it.
You know, it started getting to a point to where it was affecting overall health. It wasn't just a, appearance thing and then, being a little self-conscious. I heard the ad come on the radio and I was like, okay, well there's a option for a solution. Plus doing it in one day, I mean, you're not really out for the count for too long, work-wise and everything else. Anytime somebody tells you to count backwards from 10 and the next thing you know, you're waking up all like, what's going on? And something new has happened. It's a little, I guess nervous is probably the right word, but excited at the same time.
Drinks on me later.
Okay.
Doing the New Teeth Now experience. From when I got to the office at 7:30 in the morning to get prepped for surgery, that was like one of the best days off I've had in a long time. It was such an easy experience and it flowed so well.
Looks pretty good.
Looks like new teeth now.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir. Excellent work. New teeth now.
I married that man.
That's right.
I was excited to see how much energy I would actually have, like once my body wasn't trying to compensate for, this crazy weird pain thing that was constantly going on. Right away that day, I think when I was coming out of the anesthesia and I was starting to really get my wits about me again, I could almost notice it right away, like, it was like taking a deep breath of fresh air, like, okay. I don't want to say I feel younger, but I feel younger again. It's like the fountain of youth.
If you would like to view more informational videos on New Teeth Now, please click the subscribe button here. Thanks for watching.